So now, if you guys think about this, you could go, you gotta put this in your schedule to do this. Everything that I'm talking about today and for the next 5 weeks requires you to pick up the telephone. I'm just letting you know that. Okay? It requires you to pick up the phone and call people. That's what it requires you to do. Now, when you call them, you're going to give them what's in it for them, so they want to talk to you. But if I call and say, hey, this is Anthony Thornton from the Anthony Thornton real estate team, and I'd like to partner with you guys. The other person on the phone goes, well, about what? But if I call and say, hey, this is Anthony Thornton real estate team, I like to give your employees $600 every time they close a real estate transaction for a home warranty, for a free appraisal, for whatever. And I'd also like to donate $100 to either your charity or a charity you guys support. Who can I talk to about that? They go, oh, you can talk to Martha, you can talk to Steve, you can talk to John. Go ahead. I'm not telling you nothing. This is not to try. I'm telling you stuff that works. We have partnership with one of the biggest hospitals here in Atlanta. All I do is pick up the telephone. Okay. You could hire a VA in the Philippines for $5 an hour to do this for you. You guys could split one. Yep. About $20, $30 a week and give her a script. One of my scripts, I already got the script done. Somebody texted me the other day and wanted my script about how to get into an HR department. And I'm like, oh, here you go. Was that you, Shalina? Somebody asked me for my script, how to get into an HR department. And I just sent it to them. They were part of our EXP organization. We have it. All this stuff is already done. This is not stuff we're making up, been doing for decades. Okay. So you could hire, remember, you could hire a VA because now you're thinking, well, I don't have enough time to do this. But if you look at your routine, number one, you got a lot of wasted stuff you're doing. Number two, you can just hire a VA for $5 or $6 an hour because I got 15 of them. You need a VA, reach out to Razy at AnthonyThorntonTeam.com. She'll find one for you. She's gonna charge you $200 to find you one, right? But she'll find you one, and she runs an HR company. She'll, interview them and all that. Send you candidates. You like them, you take them. $200, $199. Just so you guys know, nothing's for free. But you guys, 3 of y'all could split a VA. Have her work 20 hours a week. You somebody partner with somebody in Georgia and Florida, and you guys split $30 an hour a week, 20 hours, 60. What is that? $60 a week. I don't know. Okay. It's all kinds of way to do stuff. Everybody on our mortgage team, I make them have an assistant, and they pay for it out their own pocket because they need it, right? Based on a lot of marketing that we do. Anyways, so that's one thing. And so now let's go on. Hopefully that helps you. Just stop there.